What's up guys, Jedi from Locked On Off-Road, and in this episode we're heading to Cape Tribulation with the family. Good morning, so we've loaded up into the car. I made breakfast this morning at the place we're staying at. And now we're heading on the Captain Cook Highway up north and see where we end up. Let's go. Breeze is still hungry, so we're gonna go get a second breakfast with her because all she likes doing is eating. So we'll see you there in Port Douglas. We've finished our second breakfast at St. Crispin's now, so we're going to head off and grab some fuel, and I think we're going to go try to find a nice creek to go have a swim in because it's a bit hot at the moment. So we'll see you there. Nova's keen. Just grab some fuel now and we'll be on the road again. This is the fuel station. So we finished swimming at Mossman Gorge, just had a quick dip there to cool down the bubba and the other bubba, and now we're heading to the lower Daintree. We might catch the barge across to go to Cape Tribulation yet, we don't know, we'll see when we get there. If not, we're just going to have a look around at the Daintree River, and that's this side of it, the south side of the Daintree, if we don't end up crossing. So we'll see you then. So we've pulled up to the ferry booth, and I guess we've kind of half forced ourselves to cross it, so I guess we're going to go across. And we'll just decide how much time we got. Depending on when the return time is, we'll decide how much time we're going to spend over the other side. So we'll see you when we're crossing. Hopefully they take card and they're not like that Bratwurst place.
Peace. Peace to the Middle East.
Oh my god. The tickets have been acquired, so the ferry doesn't stop running till 1:45 midnight, so I think we'll be able to spend enough time over looking at what we want. It'll probably be darkish by the time we're heading back to base camp, but that'll be alright because I'll drive. Let's go! Good. Fuck.
I thought he was going to say not allowed to record.
No, he wasn't.
Welcome aboard. Please may your vehicles, drivers, clean your motors off and apply the headlight.
Turn the motors off and applying the hoo-ha. Lucky we did turn the windows down first.
Of course we get this.
Yeah, of course we're parked next to that where you can't see nothing. But look, we can look at the sky. Ooh. Oh, I'm not steady. It thinks on the tripod. See any crocodiles? Nah. On the other side of the ferry, so we're on the north side of the Daintree River. We're just going to head through here. We're going to stop at Alexandra's Lookout, which is about, I think, 8 minutes drive from where we are currently. So we'll have a look and see you then. Pulled up at Alexandra Lookout and the baby's gone for a walk. Alexandra Lookout. So from there we're going to head on to Cape Tribulation, check that out, get some good footage, and then from there we'll probably stop along the way back through so we sort of can work out how much time we got before we're heading back to base camp. So we'll see you at Cape Tribulation. made it to Cape Tribulation, so we're going to get out and take a look at the beach and stretch the baby's legs, and she might put her feet in the water. What do you reckon, Bubba? She reckons
No.
so. Alright, we'll see you in a second. Hello, you. You like that sand, Bubba? We made it. We're here, and Bubba's having fun in the sand.
Oh.
Once you finish walking.
You probably can't see properly with the hat.
Probably not.
Let's go in the water, huh?
Yeah.
The water? Look this way. We're loving it. Come closer. Oh, wet now.
Uh-oh, she goes. Finished at Cape Tribulation now, so we're just heading back up to through Noah's Range actually at the moment. We're gonna maybe stop at places on the way back, maybe not. Breeze is hungry again as usual, and she wants all you can eat seafood, so we might check that out tonight if we get back in time. So we're getting hurried now, but that's all right. I'm probably won't be mad once I'm eating seafood, so we'll see you then. Driving through here, there seems to be a fair few places you can camp and obviously swim as well, so I think we'll definitely be coming back in the patrol, but not before it has aircon. Not that it's hot today, but just the trip up here from Townsville with no aircon is just not happening. You reckon, Bubba? Passing it over Noah's Creek. I don't see any boat in there, mate. No boats in there. We've got ourselves a little private beach here. I think this is Thornton Beach we pulled into. This is probably the last stop we stop into before we do head back to Clifton Beach. So, oh, we got one of them little turkey bush hen things. That's cool. Little beach hut. We got some on the north side of the ferry this time, waiting across. The boom gates are going up, so we'll probably be heading over soon. That's it for the Daintree. We're going to head back to the pavilion and then go get ready for dinner. We're having dinner at Charlie's. It's an all-you-can-eat seafood place. So yeah, we're going to check that out. It's in Cairns on the Esplanade actually. She's sorted. It's the last day in Cairns, so we're heading back. We've packed up and got all our stuff out of the pavilion, and we're gonna head off and get some breakfast, of course, because someone's hungry again. That's it for the Cairns trip. Thanks for watching, guys. Give me a subscribe if you're enjoying the content. Click the link in the description to check out all my other social media, and remember, stay locked in.